Crescendo TV.
Oh, hi! Hi, my name is Leila. What's your name? You know, I have a friend who loves to make music and cook at the same time. I bet we can magic him in. Let's try. Shkuntaka-tuntaka-tatuka.
Hi,
Hi,
Leila.
Adam. Hi.
Hi.
Adam, we have some friends with us today.
Hi, everybody.
Hi. What are you doing?
Well, I am cooking.
That looks really nice. Well, is it ready? Because I am ready.
Oh, no. It's not ready yet.
Well,
What do you have there?
well, I have my knife
Okay.
and my fork and my spoon.
And you know what I have?
What do you have?
I have my spatula.
Oh, Adam, that reminds me of a really fun song called Knife, Fork, Spoon.
Spatula?
Let's do it.
Yeah.
Okay, everyone, show us your hands. Like that. Very good, very good. Now, I have a knife, fork, spoon, spatula. Cha-cha-cha. I have a knife, fork, spoon, spatula. Cha-cha-cha. I have a knife, fork, spoon. I have a knife, fork, spoon. I have a knife, fork, spoon, spatula. Cha-cha-cha. Faster. I have a knife, fork, spoon, spatula. Cha-cha-cha. I have a knife, fork, spoon, spatula. Cha-cha-cha. I have a knife, fork, spoon. I have a knife, fork, spoon. I have a knife, fork, spoon, spatula. Cha-cha-cha. Ooh, I bet they can go faster.
Oh,
Let's
yes,
go
I
faster.
think so, yeah.
I have a knife, fork, spoon, spatula. Cha-cha-cha. I have a knife, fork, spoon, spatula. Cha-cha-cha. I have a knife, fork, spoon. I have a knife, fork, spoon. I have a knife, fork, spoon, spatula. Cha-cha-cha. Let's go.
Oh.
Woo! Goodbye.
Bye, everybody.
Crescendo TV.